Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa Banda Mission Souls. Pero ang i-react natin ngayon ay yung unboxing ng double pedal ni Ice. Ayan, napaka lupit talaga ng batang to pagdating sa drums, kaya deserve niya naman talaga magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng double pedal na magagamit niya sa mga cover song nila ng Banda Mission Souls. Grabe. At nagpapasalamat ang Banda Mission Souls dito kay Glasses Kingdom at kay SF Pros. Ayan, mga YouTuber din. Ayan, simulan natin guys. Panoorin natin ang pag-unbox ni Ice at ng Banda Mission Souls. Ayan, nasa mall sila guys. Siyempre kasama lahat sila Daddy Second, Mami Sheena at Stacy, Naces at Nisha. Yun. Pinuha na. Pearl yata yung tatak nito. Ayun, sinakay na ni Ice sa kotse yung nabili nilang double pedal. Mukhang mabigat Medyo mabigat.
That's the smoothest, most powerful pedal in the world.
Tama ba yung dinig ko? Most powerful pedal in the world. Yung binili ni Ice.
Oh, wait, please. Ready? Too heavy. Yes. What you want to say, man?
Yan si
Thank you
Nisha.
to GK and SF Rose.
Yan si GK. Glasses Kingdom at si SF Rose.
For my double pedal, Pearl. Thank you. Let's open it. Okay. Let's.
Galing mag-English ni ni Ice. Mga matalinong bata talaga to si Ice.
Yes, family open.
Wow.
They even have the new.
Napaka-solid Sa tingin pa lang guys, mukhang quality na talaga tong na to. Double pedal na to.
Oh. They have
Lapad.
belts. And when I just want something. Wow. This.
Kaya pala mabigat. Napakalapad tsaka solid.
Right. Move that box, please. Wow. Hi, I'm his
Ganda ng
assistant.
box.
What? They finally have their locking system. Look.
Nakakatuwa si Ice. Alam na alam niya talaga yung kanyang binili. Yung yung specs ng kanyang double pedal talaga. Mukhang ni-review niya na bago pa man niya binili.
So shiny. Can see the camera.
Alam na alam niya talaga yung gusto niyang double pedal. Mukhang pangarap niya rin to tong double pedal na to.
Wow. Wow. We're very soft. Where am I gonna adjust it? How am I gonna adjust this shot?
Make sure everything.
Can you help me do that and I'll try to figure it out. Ooh, they even have their new locking system. So you can adjust the spring tension. And this is the cool one because the old school drums or pedals were not as good.
Napaka high-tech nitong double pedal, no?
So they invented this. Pearl knows what to do. So let's start with this first, the double thing.
Teach them like the wrong way, so that they know, or like
Ayan,
they'll be learning.
tinatest niya na.
This one is heavy.
Ayan si Nisha, yung nando sa likuran ni Ice.
So you'll never forget where. This is where his drums are.
Sana sa susunod naman si Nisha, no? Ang makita nating mag-unbox ng bagong gitara o si Nace Stacy ng bagong bass or electric guitar din.
That. I never
Pero napansin ko meron silang iba yung ano nila ngayon, keyboard na gamit. Kumpara doon sa mga nauna nilang cover na kulay white yung kanilang keyboard.
When I see you smile, I can face the world.
Ganda ng boses niya, no? Stacy yun. Boses pa lang eh. Ganda ng boses, ano? Akapela lang yan. Pero, ang ganda. Sarap pakinggan.
This is not the one. How did I do this? We don't need no light. I don't need no
Napaka-solid nung
light.
nung mga pyesa. Talagang pulidong-pulido. Ang ganda. Mukhang maganda rin presyo nito.
To see you shine. It's your
Kumakanta sila. Nisha.
Sorry.
Stacy. Kaya si Stacy Nisha yung nagka-camera kay Ice.
Double bass, John.
Yay.
No.
Yay, what do you have to say about that?
Okay, this is my old Eliminator single pedal. This is the chain version, so this is what they always use. That's iconic, of course. And this one's the Eliminator. Yeah, this is the red one.
Yun yung kanyang lumang pedal. Single pedal.
That's so it can be so fast. It's just one patch, this one, but I put two because I have the double pedal. And
Napaka-technical nitong batang to. Alam na alam niya talaga yung kanyang gamit.
let's go and take this off. Loosen it. Carry that up. And this is the fastest red rolling. It's almost like that, but
Sa tingin ko lahat sila technical pagdating sa instrumento. Lalo na siguro si Nisha. Kasi talagang makikita mo sa kanya yung kalidad niya sa yung pagtugtog, paggamit ng gitara at ng guitar effects. Makikita mo doon na napaka-technical ni Nisha din sa gitara.
just set this aside. Cannot put it here. It's too long. It's too long.
Meron din palang pedal para dun sa clapper. Ayun. Stig.
Okay, go. Break down.
Yun pala yun, yung nagpapabilis ng tunog ng bass drum. Double pedal. Yung ginagamay niya pa, guys. Pero sa tingin ko, saglit niya lang makukuha to. Baka hindi niya rin first time gumamit itong double pedal eh. Sarap pakinggan.
So loud, and I even hit it hard.
Nakakatuwa naman. Expected na natin to, guys. Mas lalo silang lulupit pagdating sa cover. Abangan natin yung mga gagawin nilang cover song. Yung nireact natin kanina na Highway Star, yung kanilang pinakabagong cover. Tingin ko ginamit na doon ni Ice tong double pedal, yung bago. Lupit pumalo, no? Grabe tong bata to. Maraming tatabunan na ano to. Mga drummer na mas eksperyensado pa sa kanya. Dahil sa napaka-advanced na talent nitong batang to. Galing. Gifted tong batang to. Grabe. Yan, muli siya nagpasalamat kay Sir GK and SF Rose. And guys, grabe, nakakatawa no yung panoorin tong unboxing ni Ice at ng bandang Mission Souls sa kanilang bagong double pedal. Yan. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, mag-subscribe ka na sa bandang Mission Souls. Andiyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Lagi po nandyan. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating munti channel, mag-subscribe ka na rin para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod pa nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.